How do we know that we're in Taipei? It's landmark, of course. One of its famous landmarks. There's Taipei 101. Are we going up? I don't think so. If we are here, of course, what do? Have a break. Get some ramyun. Hungry! It's still the holiday seasons over here in Taipei. I can still see a Christmas tree. Gabrielle, look! It's Mario Kart World. You want to come here? Yes, you do. We are waiting, watching the clock. It's 1 p.m. Our number is 1345 and it's 1 p.m. Let's see what time we can get in. This is our version of Ichiran. It's back to 7-Eleven. Boarding na rin kami. Yay! Our order is not yet here. What do you want? Something to add already? Liquid gold muna. What can we do while waiting? Let's skinny cream.